Yeah, my dad was a teacher for 20 years, and he was actually had a visual disability like myself. And for the last 6 years of his teaching, he taught blind as a sixth grade teacher. My favorite teachers, took interest in me personally. They didn't just stick to the academic speak. They spoke to my heart and took interest in the things that I was interested in. Very generous family to donate to me a smartboard because they knew my situation with my vision, and the smartboard has really helped me. Ever since then, Evelyn is they'll be like, oh man, you have a smartboard. I wish I had a smartboard. And not because she just wants it because I have it, but she gives me ideas on how to use the smartboard. The more you're able to engage the students, getting their hands on the board and be able to interact with the topic. And I've seen how it impacted my own students. It'll make that education come more alive in that topic.
You did it by yourself.
Challenges that Evelyn has faced in her life, the students can see that and they know the difference. I believe that really has inspired her students to do their best and to know that they can overcome similar situations of difficulty in their lives because they see that reflected in her life.